So after opening, everything will come in the box. Have the kind of lever here. Put on the inside. Nice and solid. Put up on the side as well. Nice, I like it. And that's the box of goodies. I'm assuming this is all the install hardware. Okay, so yes, this was all the install hardware. And this thing, you got to just pick this thing up. This thing is like, it's pretty fucking heavy. It's got some size to it. And all everything else. All right. You'll get your bracket. I'm assuming this is what goes to the frame. Nice instructions, some hardware, flip down, pedal, and then I believe this must go onto the bracket and must tuck up somewhere. I don't know where it goes. Alright, so you go ahead and put this bracket and you mount it up onto there. It's the 11 onto the other one. Sorry, y'all, that beat scared the shit out of me. I just got stung a bit ago. And this go up and in. I'll show you that next. You're gonna come from underneath the car. See my exhaust here. Usually it will come out right there. Come right in this corner. If you have the old one like I did, you would have to take off the bracket that's right here. But this one, you're gonna take off these 21 mils right here. 1, 2, 3. And then there's another one all the way up there that you're gonna have to take off as well. That one in the middle, you're gonna have to take off as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back. And next time you'll see it, I'll have it up here and I'll show you what I had did. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to have a wrench for this one, but I should actually be able to get my tool out. When you come back here, let's see this. You mount it right there. This is the time when they want you to tighten it down. See, and then you have the one on the outside. And at that bracket, don't do what I did. Keep this loose because you're gonna bring the bracket underneath, and that's gonna be it. There's gonna be 3 bolts right here that you're gonna take out. You take out the middle one, and then you put it up here. Just make sure to snug it down pretty good. And that's when you snug it down. They're saying to snug it down at this point in time. So then now there's gonna be 3. There's gonna be the 2 combo, and then the 1 8mm with the lock washer and the flat washer. So yeah, and then that's what mounts to. And then that mounts to underneath here. So 2, 2, boom, boom. Let's do it. See right there? Is it done? Should be at this step at this point. Let's mount it up in there. I'll take a shot of the inside so that way you can see it while they're all up there. I think it's easier to put the single one in the front, tighten it all the way down, and then you can do the 2 combo in the back. You do whatever the fuck, you know what I mean? Okay. So this is a little confusing to when they say 2 bolts per channel, 2 on each one. But, you know, I might just be retarded, so that's probably why I thought it was confusing. But either way, T-bolt, or the T-bolts, slide it in, and then you're going to go with these right here, with the washers. Installing it, ended up pulling the shot, just so that way it's a little bit easier, truthfully. So instead of one that's like completely over there. Either way, I have it mounted like this. At the furthest ones, you put the 2 in each slot, and then there's 4. I put it at the furthest ones just because I figure it disperse the weight, you know what I mean, as much as possible. I'm personally gonna just put it right here, set it and forget it. So you'll put the little flat washer and then the locking nut after the T-bolts are already in here on the step. And then you just tighten these bad boys down. And then you can adjust this. That's the one cool thing about this is all this stability. It's pretty dope. But mine, I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple, tucked away. But yeah, I lied a little bit. I ended up adjusting mine, pretty much making it even with this edge right here, just because I wanted it a little bit easier to get the clamp and pull it down. You know what I mean? Yeah. Story short, don't do what I just did, because I ended up snapping my T-bolt. That was me though. I was kind of burning through it. So right now, that's where the one I just burned through. But yeah, right now I kind of adjusted a little bit more off just because I wanted it easier. Yeah, I broke that bitch, so don't do what I did. Use a hand tool. So here it is. Sorry. Sorry. For the loud noises. But it's a little bit loud, but look, it's pretty fucking solid. And mind you, that's with me breaking one of the bolts. I'm gonna replace that obviously, but for now it's on 3. I'll be mindful.